Most riders know WD-40 as a general-purpose spray, but few realize just how many quiet, practical uses it has for motorcycles. Mechanics often rely on specialized products, yet WD-40 remains one of the most versatile tools a rider can keep in the garage. It can loosen parts, clean grime, fight moisture, and handle several small issues that shops may prefer you bring in. These tips show how WD-40 can help you solve everyday problems on your own, save money, and keep your motorcycle looking and functioning better between major services. Number 1. Loosen stuck nuts and bolts. One of the most common uses of WD-40 is freeing stubborn, rusted fasteners. Motorcycles accumulate moisture in hidden areas, and bolts on exhaust clamps, brackets, or handlebar mounts often seize over time. WD-40 works by penetrating threads and breaking down the corrosion that locks them together. When you spray it on a stuck bolt, the fluid seeps into small gaps and helps separate the rusted surfaces. After soaking for a few minutes, most bolts turn more easily with standard tools. Riders dealing with older bikes or machines stored outdoors often rely on WD-40 to avoid stripping bolts or breaking fasteners. Although mechanics can remove stuck hardware with heat or specialty penetrants, many everyday situations don't require such tools. A few sprays of WD-40, patience, and a steady hand can often solve the problem without a shop visit. Using it this way not only prevents damaged components but also builds confidence in handling minor maintenance issues at home. Number 2. Displace moisture from electronics. Electrical components on motorcycles are vulnerable to rain, washing, and humidity. When water gets into spark plug wells or sneaks under connectors, engines may misfire or refuse to start. WD-40 excels at driving out this moisture. Spraying the affected area helps push water away from metal surfaces, restoring proper electrical contact. Many riders keep a small can under their seat or in a toolkit specifically for emergencies involving wet ignition parts. If the bike sputters after riding through rain or after an aggressive wash, a quick application around spark plug caps, coils, or wiring plugs can get it firing again. Although this is not a long-term waterproofing solution, it is extremely useful for immediate recovery. Once the engine runs normally again, the correct step is to open the connectors, dry them thoroughly, and add proper dielectric grease. Still, as a fast fix on the road or in the garage, WD-40 remains one of the most reliable ways to remove moisture and regain spark consistency when water has caused temporary electrical trouble. Number 3. Remove grease, grime, and adhesive. WD-40 is surprisingly effective as a cleaner on tough grime that resists regular soap. Motorcycles collect chain lube splatter, tar, and road buildup on wheels, engine covers, and swing arms. When sprayed on these dirty areas, WD-40 dissolves the greasy film so it can be wiped away easily with a cloth. Riders often use it to remove adhesive residue left behind from stickers, tank pads, or old reflective tape. The spray softens the glue, making it easier to peel or scrub off without damaging paint. It also helps loosen baked-on insects on the front fairing or exhaust. While mechanics might use strong degreasers in the workshop, WD-40 provides a safe, accessible option for most riders working at home. Its ability to break down tar, oil, and residue makes it a dependable choice for quick cleaning jobs, especially when dealing with stubborn spots that soap alone cannot remove. Just avoid overspraying near brake components, since the oily film should never touch rotors or pads. Number 4. Shine and protect metal surfaces. Beyond cleaning, WD-40 can restore shine to metal and plastic surfaces, giving the bike a refreshed appearance. When applied lightly to dull engine covers, footrest brackets, or faded plastic trim, it brings back a deeper color and smoother look. This happens because the fluid fills tiny surface imperfections and leaves a thin protective coating. Riders use this trick before shows, rides, or when they simply want the motorcycle to look more polished without using expensive detailing products. The protective film also helps guard against rust, which is especially helpful for chrome parts that face constant exposure to moisture. Some riders use WD-40 to add shine to wheels or protect exposed fasteners from corrosion. While it's not a replacement for proper wax or metal polish, it is a quick and effective method to brighten surfaces and shield them from the elements. After spraying, Always buff off the excess to avoid attracting dust. Number 5. Fight rust on chrome and spokes. Surface rust can appear on chrome handlebars, exhaust shields, and spoke nipples, especially on older motorcycles or those stored in humid environments. WD-40 helps break down this light rust so it can be removed with gentle scrubbing. Spraying the product on the affected area softens the oxidation, allowing a soft steel wool pad or brush to lift the rust without scratching the metal. This method restores the shine of the chrome while preventing further corrosion. After cleaning, the remaining WD-40 film forms a moisture-resistant barrier, helping to slow future rusting. Riders who maintain classic bikes or chrome-heavy machines appreciate how easily WD-40 handles these minor rust issues. Instead of buying replacement parts or paying for refinishing, many small rust spots can be corrected with nothing more than WD-40 and a little effort. It's a simple, cost-effective strategy that keeps chrome bright and spokes clean year-round. Number 6. Emergency chain cleaner. Dedicated chain cleaners and lubricants are best, but WD-40 can serve as a temporary cleaner when nothing else is available. On long rides, in remote areas, or during unexpected maintenance, it effectively loosens dirt, dust, and old lube stuck on the chain. Spraying WD-40 helps dissolve grime so it can be wiped or brushed away, restoring movement to stiff links and preventing early corrosion. It won't harm O-ring or X-ring chains when used as a cleaner. However, it should never be the final lubricant. After cleaning, the chain must be dried and coated with proper chain lube for protection. Many riders use WD-40 specifically as the cleaning step before applying traditional lubricant because it penetrates well and removes contaminants easily. This approach keeps the chain rolling smoothly and extends its lifespan without requiring professional service every time buildup occurs. Number 7. Keep mud from sticking. Off-road riders often use WD-40 as a protective coating before hitting muddy trails. Spraying it lightly on metal surfaces like the frame, wheels, and engine cases forms a slick barrier that prevents mud from bonding tightly. After a ride, the caked dirt washes off more easily, reducing cleaning time and minimizing the risk of corrosion. This technique is especially useful for bikes that encounter wet clay or thick mud, which can pack into crevices and cause long-term wear. Applying WD-40 beforehand helps shed the worst of the buildup so parts stay cleaner. Riders must avoid spraying it on brakes, tires, or seats. But when applied correctly, it works remarkably well. The reduced mud adhesion also prevents extra weight from accumulating during a ride, which can affect handling. For frequent trail riders, this simple precaution saves effort and keeps the motorcycle in better shape after every muddy adventure. Number 8. Silent squeaks. Temporarily, motorcycles develop squeaks in pivot points such as foot pegs, side stands, levers, and luggage racks. WD-40 offers a quick way to diagnose and quiet these noises. Its penetrating properties allow it to reach into small hinges and joints, reducing friction instantly. The sound usually disappears within seconds of spraying. However, WD-40 is a light oil and eventually evaporates, so the fix is temporary. Its real value lies in helping riders identify which part needs attention. Once the noise is located and softened, proper maintenance can follow with heavier grease or long-lasting lubricant. Mechanics often use this method to confirm the source of irritating noises before performing a more thorough repair. For riders, WD-40 serves as an easy first step to restore peace and reduce annoyance until full lubrication can be applied. Number 9. Hide small scratches. A useful cosmetic trick involves using WD-40 to reduce the appearance of shallow scratches or scuffs on painted or plastic surfaces. When sprayed onto a microfiber cloth and gently applied to the mark, it fills the tiny grooves that scatter light and makes scratches visible. This temporarily blends the damaged area with the surrounding surface, making the scratch appear lighter and less noticeable. The effect is most effective on clear coat marks from clothing, bags, or light contact with brush or branches. While it doesn't truly repair the paint, it improves the look enough to make blemishes less distracting. Riders use this trick when preparing for group rides, events, or photos without spending time on full polishing or restoration. It's a convenient way to freshen the bike's appearance when quick improvement is all that's needed.